Why do people get thyroid problems, including thyroid cancer? The emotional pattern associated with thyroid problems is the issues of communication, especially communication in the family. People who have tendency to develop thyroid problems, they have difficulty speaking their truth in the family. They feel intuitively everything what's going on, the energy in the family, but they are afraid to speak their truth in order to keep peace in the family. So everything what they speak and express only to please other people, other family members, to keep peace. And this internal conflict between what they feel intuitively, what's going on in the family, and the way they can speak, they are allowed to speak by other people, create this internal conflict in them that eventually materialize itself in the thyroid problems. So to heal, they need to become aware of this communication and release this pattern. And of course, you can do a lot of work on yourself using your hands and becoming aware of the subtle body energy.